It's your keto girl. I can't wait to show you this recipe. These are keto cheesy chicken fritters. They have less than 1 gram of net carbs per fritter, and it only takes 30 minutes. Okay, first you'll take 5 chicken breasts, cut them up thinly like that, add it to a bowl, then you'll crack open 2 eggs. You'll add a 1/3 cup of almond flour, 1 whole cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. For the spicing, I added oregano, parsley, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Okay, now get a skillet, add a little bit of oil, but that's about it. Get an ice cream scooper, roll up your chicken in a ball, dunk them in the pan. Make sure you're cooking on medium to low so it doesn't burn the outside and cooks through evenly. I cooked these for about 6 to 8 minutes on each side. Add your favorite keto dipping sauce. I added some Rayo's marinara, and that's it. Trust me, these are delicious, mouth-watering. Please like and follow for more recipes.